Yo, what's up? It's Oz at Ozzy's Music Academy. I got my new Loog mini guitar and I put a pickup on it and I want to do a cover for you. This is going to be Free Fallin' by Tom Petty in A. Hey, Loog guitars, check them out. This thing's really cool. Great way to get started up for any beginner. All the materials suit 1, 2, and 3 strings, the E string, the B string, and the G string. It was really great. Check out my description where I'll put in all my gear that I have that I use for this. So Ozzy's Music Academy, go make some music. A world with more music sounds beautiful. Peace. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, send this to friends, check out my Facebook page, Instagram, and Patreon. Thanks for joining. Peace.